That was nice. Do you want to give him another kiss? Give him another kiss. That was nice. What about Daddy? Even though I smell like fish. Daddy kiss?
Oh,
just Grayson?
she's rubbing his back.
Oh, just Grayson.
Are you rubbing his back? Or you say cheese? She's like, take the picture, Mom.
Say Daddy.
Are you making Grayson feel better? Oh, that's nice.
Making him feel better. Yeah. See your big brother. You got a kiss for Daddy? No. Give me a kiss. No. No kisses for Daddy? I'm sad. Just Grayson? Aww. Daddy? You just want to walk my nose? And lick me? Ew. No licking, Daddy.
I got puke in me.
Yeah.